What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for a little Infinity Falls construction update, as there may be some stuff finally going on with it. Before we head inside the park, let's go over to the storage lot first. One big change to the storage lot is going to be all the plants and trees that we can see here, and this is all going over for Infinity Falls. And right now it looks like a jungle over here, so imagine what that's going to look like over there. As we can see here, there's some of the supports for the main tower decorations, and they're still here in the storage lot. I'm not sure how long it's going to take until they finally get over there, but hopefully soon they'll make their way over. And here's more of the decorative tower, again just sitting in the lot. And these pieces are still over here as well, so yeah, tower has not gone up yet. However, we can see one of the support pieces are now missing, so that should be over on the construction site. Alright, well, I take that back. It looks like part of the tower is already starting to go up, and we can see that here. Literally less than 20 seconds to get in, and we're on our way. Sky Tower. Closed. No! Well, let's still go take a look at Infinity Falls. This is something new, or I haven't noticed it, but we have a sign here showing Sydney Splash Party. So yeah, as you can see, they've created another little soak zone for the kids over here by Mako and Finn's Gift Shop. You know, it's just water, but little things like these, they really make a difference during the hot summer months. And as the sign reads, it opens up at 11 a.m., so if you want to join, be here then. Just outside the Nautilus Theater, of course, we have one of the Infinity Falls rafts, but new are these little walls right here, showing the adventure is about to begin. A new wall and fencing is now up around this area, where there are supposed to be some bikes in place. Hopefully they're going in now. Yep, it's the weekend, so the price has been adjusted. $3 for the Sky Tower, and it's now open. Yay!
Boys and girls, for the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. Longest roller coaster. SeaWorld's 200-foot-tall hyper coaster. Mako is named for one of the ocean's bestest known sharks, and reaches top speeds of 73 miles per hour along nearly a mile of rehabilitation efforts, habitat protections, and ocean health initiatives. Our mission is to see it here and save it there, from park to planet. SeaWorld Day. After an awesome animal encounter, unwind at one of Orlando's least known fine dining experiences. Sharks underwater.
How about a look at Sesame Street now, and the area where the big playpen was, well, deconstructed. It's gone. Flat land, just dirt now. A couple construction vehicles and recycling containers are still on site. Well, check it out. We have our first couple markings. Looks like we're about to install another piece as crews are in a lift and they're heading up to the tower. Yeah. Fast forward a few hours and we are back at the park to check how everything looks from inside.
As the cabin rotates, you'll see Mako, Orlando's tallest, fastest, and longest roller coaster. SeaWorld's 200-foot-tall hyper coaster, Mako is named for one of the ocean's fastest known sharks and reaches top speeds of 73. Interaction is a big part of a SeaWorld day. After an awesome animal encounter, unwind at one of Orlando's least known fun.
And there we go, they just had an air horn sound, and now the water has been turned on for Infinity Falls. And it definitely looks like some crazy rapids right there. And it looks like ride stop has been pressed because the water is starting to drain out slowly now. It's also getting a little bit more calm. And the horn has been sounded again. Water's flowing. So it looks like we have another pump test. Well guys, that is going to do it for another SeaWorld Orlando Infinity Falls construction update, and I am very happy to say that parts for that decorative tower have now made their way from the storage lot over to the main construction site. And there's still a little bit left to do for the tower segments, but hey, at least it's going up. We also had some testing of the waters, which is a good thing, and Sesame Street has a little bit of new construction. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.